Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to open Discord on Windows. I will show you a couple of solutions, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and go to discord.com and log into your Discord account through browser. It will help you to reset your app settings, right? So first of all, log in through app to browser to your Discord, and then you can close it and open up Task Manager. On Task Manager, make sure on Processes, scroll down until you see Discord, as you can see here, activity, and all the tasks here related to Discord. And also make sure on the bottom right corner, press this arrow up button that says show hidden icons, and also if there is a Discord here and Discord tasks here, right? And if the problem persists here, again, what you need to do here is to on search write Discord, and then right click on it, go to open file location, and then you will see Discord shortcut here, and then go to properties, compatibility, select this option, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, and also select this disable full screen optimization, right? And it should fix a problem, but if the problem persists, I highly advise you to basically uninstall and reinstall Discord from your PC. Maybe it has some corrupted files. So what you need to do here, you need to go to apps and features. Here just write Discord and press uninstall, and go back to discord.com and install Discord again, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.